Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at OLYMPiA-TOOLS. This is the Hi-VIZ TurboFold utility knife. Yeah. Now this one comes in two colors. This one is, the Aussie Safety Yellow, and then there is the Blazing Orange one. So this one I have seen in two different colors. The Blazing Orange is kind of like what you see right here on the cardboard, but it's on a knife. And then, obviously this safety yellow color, as we can also see right here, is obviously on the knife. This one is obviously the safety yellow version, and not the blazing orange one. So yeah. Let's try to get the camera focus there. So 5-position locked in. Quick change mechanism, belt clip, 20% more cutting edge compared to other of these little utility knives. Accept standard utility blades, push button angle adjustment, lanyard hole, limited lifetime warranty. Okay. And then back here it kind of tells you everything that it does. So yeah, right here, 20% more cutting surface area than standard blade holders. So obviously I can see that there is obviously a little bit more, because weighted blade holders, they just come down to like about here. And this one, obviously you can see that a little bit more at the bottom of the blade is exposed right in here. Quick change mechanism right there to swap out the blades or take it out and then put it in the other way when the tip of it starts getting dull and stuff. Secure closing lot right there. Hi-VIZ aluminum plated. So the little handle on here is aluminum plated. Okay. Non-slip grip. And then it says lanyard hole. So yeah, made by OLYMPiA-TOOLS, and they do have a website, www.olympiatools.com. Link down below in the description there. So yeah, originally was $9.99, so look, 10 bucks, and I got it for about $2.50, $2.40, $2.50, So getting a utility knife for about $2.50. Yeah, I guess that's a pretty good deal. But we are going to actually open it up and tailor it and see if we compare it to a Stanley. So we're going to see which one's actually better, getting an Olympia or a Stanley. Come on, I don't know if the camera could pick this up. There we go. Yeah, Stanley. It wasn't picking up for some reason, the name, but there we go. And this is actually a pretty good example because both are pot clips, both are folding utility knives. Both, you could change out the blades when you have to. So yeah. And we're going to get to the size and stuff a little bit later on. But first things first, let's actually get it out of the box here. So, do notice that they even put a little safety sheath on here. On the blade, straight out of the package. So, that's actually something that's pretty cool. Now, can you use this blade sheath with another one? No. So, this little blade sheath would not fit on a Stanley. I mean, it does, but some of the blade is still exposed down here, and yeah. This one's definitely made just for a... Let's see if I could get this bit on again. For a OLYMPiA one. due to the way how it's all cut out and stuff. So the little blade protector only works for Olympia. So if you're gonna have this like on display openly, but you know you still want it safe that you know it's not gonna fall and cut you. Yeah, that blade protector gets on there, and you know you can still stand it up, which I like how that this is actually flat that it will stand. And without it, wow, it actually stands without this little piece, so pretty cool. I think I did read on here somewhere that it did come with that little piece. I don't know, but yeah, anyway. Let's move that off to the side. Size comparison, but we could just lay it on top of each other. Like a little blade sandwich. And as you can see, the angle of the blades are going to be slightly different. And the bodies are going to be a little bit different. So this one's a little bit thicker. Now this one, I kind of like how the bottom is made. We got that nice did-in type of design to it. This one, it looks nice and smooth. And it kind of is somewhat. But right here on the silver part, which is always starting to get worn away, it's kind of like a matte finish where it's kind of grippy. The body actually feels kind of light and almost plasticky. You know, they said that this one is aluminum plated. Doesn't really feel aluminum plated. It feels more like plastic. And if we listen to it, it does sound plastic. You know, the equipment is aluminum plated. So, yeah. How does it feel in my hand? Okay, but back here my pinky kind of doesn't really have anywhere to go. So as you can see, I'm moving my pinky freely because it doesn't really have anywhere to grip or stop it. The thumb rest, I don't really like how the thumb rest is. It's just, yeah. With this one, thumb rest is nice. It grips pretty much all my fingers nicely. My pinky has somewhere to go. The Stanley has a way better grip on it than the Olympia. And Olympia just feels weird in my hand, like it's gonna fall out. As you can see, like back here, it doesn't really grip that good. That it's gonna go like whoops, and fall out this way. This one, it's like, no, it's not coming out. So let's go to the locking mechanism. Well, not locking mechanism, but to change the blades out. This one, you got it right there on the front, on one side, as you can see, and you gotta push up, then grab the blade and pull it out, and push up, then carefully align the blade in there. Versus, you know, this one, both sides, which actually acts as a thumb assist when you open it. This one actually does have instructions printed right there on the blade slash, you know, handle. Right there, how to actually use the locking mechanism to remove and install new blades. So, ambidextrous, you know. If I push it down on this side, the other side's working. If I push it on the other side, that side's working. So, way better to grab the blade, pull it out, as you can see. Way better area to insert the blade and put the blade in, as you can see. So this one's actually getting a lot more favoritism than this one. But we're still going to do comparison. So how the heck do we lock this? Unlock this. Okay. Okay, I got it now. This little button right here, you push that, and then that's what allows you to fold the knife. And they do say 5 locking positions, and they're right because I just let go, and now it's stuck in like this kind of, I don't know, claw shape mode. Push it again, and it locked there, and then finally it's locked. So yeah, Nice little compact design, I guess you could say. Obviously, we can see the lanyard hole right there. Belt clip, nice design. If we fold this one, obviously right there, you just take that, push it in, fold it. Folds in pretty easily. And now there's no like locked it for quad because it still could swing. While the other one, you locked it in quad mode, stays in quad mode as I like to call it. This one, no. This one you can actually see the blade in there, so you know if it's getting dull, if you gotta clean it, you know. But this one actually would put up some pocket lint, but it's way more easier to get the pocket lint out than, you know, it's this one. This one, I mean, you can see openly for the bottom here, but yeah. So this one, to actually open it, you cannot actually open it. You actually gotta push the button down, hold the button down, and then you could open it. Well, versus this one, just take the locking mechanism for the blade and it's open. So this one's actually getting a lot more favoritism for me. I mean, some people might want the more secure, locked into 5 positions, and, you know, actually having the blade where it's actually going to lock and not come open. Where, you know, this one I kind of like how that works. Now, there is pros and cons on these. I mean, this one, obviously, you cannot put any type of lanyard on there because, you know, you can obviously see what the blade ends up. So this one's purely just a pocket knife, or pocket utility knife, as you want to call it. Well, this one, obviously, we can see there's the hole. It's nowhere near the blade.